And now, with the Only in America Minute, here's your host, Bill Cochran.
Well, Bill Clinton is out again. He's out pushing Hillary, pushing her to get in the White House. And he's telling everybody to believe that lie that she told us a few weeks ago, that she was broke. She was broke when she left the White House. He said they were just getting by when they left the White House. He said they had a little money saved up, but through all those lawsuits that they went through, he said it was hard to get by. The President of the United States, to be able to say that he left the White House, the greatest job that this country could give a person, and him and his wife left broke. Americans, why would you want to ever consider having him and her back in the White House? Why would you ever want to consider a person that could not make it in the White House? I mean, just think. Hillary comes along and wins in 2016, and in 2017 she goes back to Pennsylvania Avenue and takes over the country. What are we gonna do, Americans? Can we handle it? Can we handle another 4, maybe 8, maybe 12 years of her? Because I'll tell you one thing, you think President Obama did a lot. You think he did some damage to this country. Well, I'll tell you, you wait till you get Hillary Clinton in the White House. A woman scorned is the worst kind, and she was scorned by the President of the United States. Remember? Do you remember that story? Do you remember when he said what he did? And it was true. Think about it.
The Only in America Minute. Listen live weekdays at 9 and noon, and watch all of the Only in America Minutes at youtube.com/WTAN video.
But yeah, infants need 16.